Hello and welcome to another Wednesday Musings. Today we'd like to share about distractions, which are also distortions of energy. And if you look at the world today, everywhere there is extreme distractions. On any level, on every level, you see overwhelm, distractions, the swing of the pendulum. Why is that so? Well, it is so because the old structures, the old ways are being collapsed. They are falling apart on purpose because the old Piscean age has passed and we are moving into the Aquarian age of new innovations, new beginnings, new realities. So it is wise to allow the old structures to collapse so that the new can be reborn from the ashes of time and space. Old ways of thinking, old belief systems, historical conditioning imprints are not only being challenged, but they are collapsing before your very eyes so that the new consciousness can be reborn, so that your body can be reborn, so that your mind can be reborn. For behold, you are making all things anew. You are beginning to know who you are, what you are, and how you are serving in love and truth. Indeed, you are becoming conscious of being a divine creator manifesting in form. Are you not? So how do we handle these distractions? Well, first of all, just know that's what they are, distractions. And you do not have to take on these distractions or this sense of responsibility for saving others or saving the world or correcting what is wrong in the world. All you need to do is save yourself. As the old saying goes, to save yourself so that you can know thyself and thereby be the example of change in the world. Through your knowing shall you be known. By your light shall you be known. By your presence you shall be known. So you may choose today to begin to release yourself from the effects of all distractions and distortions in this third, fourth dimensional realities, so that you can move in to and become the fifth and higher dimensions. The old is fading away and the new is being birthed by the coming of the sunrise and the moonrise in the east of new beginnings. So you can imagine that the sun is beginning to rise in your east horizon that represents new awarenesses of how to handle and not be affected by overwhelm and distortions and distractions. Other people's belief systems about who and what you should be and how to do your life. Internally, your world is collapsing on purpose so that the new can be born. New ideas, new innovations, new ways of relating to others. New ways to worship our Creator and nature. So be true to yourself and be open to all these beautiful new changes that are coming about. Your creativity, your new divine ideas are ready to be birthed through your voice, through your hands, through your body. So rejoice, for the kingdom is indeed at hand. If you like this, go to kenjikumara.com and check out our new membership program and our upcoming mastery program, Awaken Your Higher Conscious. And remember to check us out on Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And if you're planning to come visit Sedona, check out our many offerings that we have here in Sedona for our beloved visitors, fans, and friends and colleagues. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful life. Many blessings. Namaste.